Hey everybody, Fozzie here from Great Motorcycle Rides, Washington. Today we're taking a look at the poker run for Bullet. This was a benefit for Bullet, who's recovering from leukemia and a bone marrow transplant. So we'll get together, have a poker run, have a nice time, raise some money for a great cause, and that's what it's all about. This one was put together by the Cons. They're a motorcycle club out of Island County, I think up by Oak Harbor somewhere. And we want to give a big thanks to Evelyn's Tavern, the Corner up there by Anacortes, the Town Pump in Mount Vernon, the Stanwood Hotel, and the Stanwood Eagles for hosting the fine event and letting us use their venues for this. It was a lot of fun. Good turnout, great times, met a lot of great people. Only bummer was I picked up a flat tire coming right off of I-5 onto Highway 20. Boy, I got the wobbles and managed to make it up to the corner and ran into a nice fellow there at the ride named Russ, who had a pump on his bike, and we were able to put some air in my tire and repeatedly, time after time, every stop, and got it filled up. I made it through the day. Interesting part, we filled it up at the last run for me to rush home, and you know, it hasn't leaked a drop since. It's still sitting there fully inflated. But anyhow, it was a great time for all, for a great cause, and hope you made it out, and if you didn't, have a look at what's going on. So thanks for checking out the video. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the wind.
Where do you live? Ah, you better be careful, man.
Yep.
That's terrible. That's bad. That sucker's hot.
Yeah.
Well, so my wife and I are going to be leading the pack since we know the route the best. Like he said, we're going to stay at the speed limit. One thing I do want you guys to watch out for and to use is hand signals. Let the people behind you know what's going on. If we got to slow down real quick, make sure they know about it. That way, you know, we don't end up with no shit going on. Like I said, I'm really huge on hand signals. So to everybody behind us, you see somebody doing a turn, you guys do the same thing and let everybody in the pack know what's going on.
Or if you see something in the road, point it out with your leg. If it's on the right side of your bike, use your right leg. Left side, that way they know what side of the bike to expect the fucking bullshit to be coming at.